Hey guys, for those of you that are used to going to iKea, you're probably familiar with the as-is section. And one of the things that they normally have plenty of is loose boards. That's aside from random items that they might have. But I figured with some of these loose boards, why not put some of them together and make a counter table or a desk. So let me show you some of the boards and some of the materials I'm going to use, and we'll get started. Over here I have 3 loose boards that I got from iKea. This one here, the taller one, is a pretty popular one actually. You can even get it on Amazon, as well as the short one itself. You can get that on Amazon too. Now over here we got some brackets. These are going to go on the ends of the long whiteboard. These brackets are going to help to hold up the tabletop or desk. You're going to need a drill, of course. Got some screws here. These screws are called wall donks. They're made for concrete. Got some wood screws since we're dealing with wood. Got some little anchors here to keep the wood together. Some more anchors. And we also got some screw anchors to go into the wall to help the screws stay up. And you got some mending plates to keep some of the wood pieces together. Now all I need are actual stools for the countertop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click subscribe, and I'll see you soon.